Hey all, today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem with a recessed light switch where it's too far back there. So if I had it screwed in all the way, it's too far back. It's not lined up with the front here, so it makes it look kind of silly. So you pull the two screws out, and what you want to do, find out how far back from the sheetrock the box is, and then just get a spacer. What I'm going to do today is what I found to be really simple. So unscrew your box, unscrew your switch, whatever switch it is, whether it's this, a regular wall outlet, such as that, or a switch, such as that. If it's recessed a little bit, just unscrew it, measure from here to the sheetrock out how far that is, and then I'm going to show you here. This oscillating tool here. Just going to go ahead and take this, and then with the shims, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the shim to length, and that'll cut a shim to length of however big we needed it there, and then we'll put that in there and screw it back in there, and it'll fix the problem. So just screwing this in here real quick. So take a shim, I'll just cut it with this oscillating tool here because then it won't crack it and destroy it while I'm cutting it probably. And then so excuse me. So just gonna measure. The reason the shim I think works really well. You can buy things for this, but if you don't want to go to the store and you happen to have some shims around, which a lot of people do, so just measure from the side here out how far that's going to be. So looks like about 1/4 of an inch. So right about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to take the shim. Look at the shim here. Right. So take a shim and check it about. So at its widest there, it's a little bit wider. So you can take a shim and like a pen or a pencil, whatever you want to mark it with. And so I just want 1/4 of an inch, right? So put my tape measure here. And I just want 1/4. So as I measure here, let's see, just go down the shim length here till you get to about 1/4. Okay, and then just mark it right there where you had it. Let's see. Trying to do this in front of a camera is proven to be a bit of a challenge here. So let's see. So about 1/4. Still looking. So I'm going to say right about here is 1/4. Okay. Mark it with my thumb. Mark it with a pen right here. Well, the pen will write. Okay, it does. Okay. So then you don't need a whole lot here. Just a little bit, but you need to cut across and then cut down about, I don't know, about so far. And that'll give you, a piece that's, you got cut all the way across it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see, I don't have all my tools out here, but this doesn't have to be super precise, but I'm just gonna kind of sketch a line across here and try and follow that okay. If I had my little square thing, that would have been helpful. But I don't, so. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut this out right here. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use this tool right here to cut it out because it probably won't break the wood up when it cuts it. So I'm gonna use that real quick to cut it out, and I'll be right back.